Today I am going to embroider this design. I am going to do the border using scroll stitch. Just pick up the needle from here, take a small stitch from here, take the thread, round the needle like this and pick up the needle. That's all. Again a little bit from here, take the thread, round the needle and pick it up from here. That's all. It's a simple stitch. Again from here, pick up a little bit, take the thread, round the needle like this, put it up. That's all. This is a very simple stitch. Again from here, take the thread, round the needle like this and pick it up from here. That's all. After completing the border using scroll stitch, I am going to fill up all these divisions using long and short stitch, and I am going to take different shades for each division. I'll start from the center, pick up a little bit from here, pull up the thread, again go this side and just this. That's all. Again from this side, halfway through, pull up the needle, halfway through, just go till the border. That is all, the long and short stitch. I am going to do this stitch for all these different divisions. I'll put the needle down. Again, I will come up from here to complete this portion. It's a very simple stitch and looks very nice when completed. That is all. After completing this, I will do the leaves using satin stitch. Take slanting stitches very close to each other. Avoid leaving gaps. All the leaves I am going to fill it up this way. That's all. This way I am going to do all the leaves. For this also I am doing scroll stitch. Just pick up a little bit, take the thread, round the needle like this and pick it up. Again pick up a little bit, take the thread, round the needle like this and pick it up. And as I have mentioned earlier, this is known as the scroll stitch. It's simple, but it looks very nice when you do it on the border. That's all. For these lines over here, I am going to do stem stitch. I am not going to fill this up. Thread should be on the left hand side. Just pick up. That's all. Again thread on your left hand side. Take a very small stitch and pull the needle up. That's all. I am not going to fill this up. Just this. The thread should be on your left hand side. That's all. After you finish the line, just put the needle down. For the leaves, I am going to use satin stitch. Take slanting stitches, then it looks good, and try not to leave too much of gap between two stitches. That's all. For this stem over here, I am going to do stem stitch. A simple stitch, thread on the left hand side, just pick up a little bit. Take small stitches, then it looks good. Very small stitches. When you finish, put the needle down. After completion, the design will look like this. If you have liked my video tutorial, then kindly like, share and subscribe.